At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northridge, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Urbana, Northridge, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Brighton, South Vienna, Tremont City, Catawba, Mutual, Buck Creek State Park, Rosedale, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, Demore Field, Plattsburgh, and Lawrenceville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 74. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Thunderstorm was located over Ashley, or 9 miles southwest of Mount Gilead, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Cardington, Ashley, Chesterfield, Sparta, Edison, Marengo, Fulton, and Shaw. For your protection, move to the stereo room on the lowest floor. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Claremont, Clinton, Greene, Hamilton, and Warren. Showers will impact portions of east central Hamilton, northern Claremont, northwestern thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shelby to near Ontario, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Sullivan, Jeromeville, Greeley Lakes, Mifflin, Lewisburg, Nova, Macon, Shenandoah, and Owensburg. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashley,